Welcome to my channel all about fashion design. If you love creating beautiful and unique clothing designs, then you've come to the right place. Let's learn how to illustrate a backless dress in a back pose by step-to-step guidance. Start by sketching the basic shape of the model's body in a back pose. Draw a curved line for the spine, a line for each shoulder, and a line for each hip. Next, draw the outline of the dress. Since it's backless, you can draw a straight line across the top of the dress where the shoulders would be. Then, draw the sides of the dress so that they curve in toward the waist. Add any details you want to the dress, such as a pattern or embellishments. Shade in the dress to give it depth and texture. You can use light shading to suggest the fabric is flowing and draped, and darker shading to show shadows and folds. Finish by adding any finishing touches, such as hair, accessories, or shoes. sure to practice and experiment with different poses and styles to develop your fashion illustration skills.